Like cabbage.
Cabbage. Here's one.
Thank you. Which vegetables do you like? Onion. Delicious. Are there any other vegetables there that you like?
And
How do you like to... Oh, cucumber? Yeah, cucumber is yummy. How do you like to eat your onion? Cooked. Do you like to eat it with saucy rice? Saucy rice.
Mom. Yeah. Dad and I are talking about vegetables, right, Dad?
That's correct. Yeah.
You were talking about what?
Vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yeah. There's some more onion like this guy.
Oh yeah.
That's so much.
Where would you put an onion like that?
In the farm.
Would you put it in
A box?
sandwich?
Yeah.
Would you put it on what thing would you put it on?
What?
Some
I bet you
bread.
that this did not go unnoticed.
No, nobody here. Benzie, I'm not filming that.
What?
Benzie, I'm not filming that. Not filming that. It's nobody here. Nobody's been eating sweeties. Much. You should be glad I didn't cane them all. See?
That was
Multi-packet.
onion pizza sandwich. Cause look, there's onion under it. A sandwich.
Oh wow, that looks good, El.
Is there a multi-packet
Thank
inside?
you.
See, Dad, there's
No.
onion
But I'm
under
saying
it.
it should be.
Look, here's onion.
Onion mayonnaise sandwich. Delicious.
You're sharing with Dad. That's what you're
Dave and the Dave special.
Mmm.
Dave and Marley.
Sandwich.
One for you.
Thank
One
you.
for you.
Thank you.
One for me.
Nom, 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 nom.
Da bomb.
Oh, where did it go?
My belly.
Oh, you are the silliest potato.
I know it is. Da.
Oh, I can see your tummy. Tummy attack.
Can I see?
Again.
I'm hungry.
Can you save some for me?
I know what's open.
I love cheeks. I love
So the cheese are for you, and the belly is your dessert.
The belly is my dessert.
And
What about the other cheek?
Yes. It's open. My body is open to eat.
For yummies? For yummies.
You silly goo-goo.
Get some Daddy.
So delicious.
So
Oh,
tasty.
so tasty. Oh, maybe I need a little bit of salt on this side.
No, cucumber.
Oh,
Cucumber.
put some tomato on it.
A baby burger.
A baby burger.
Red tomato, red tomato.
Silly
Red tomato,
goo-goo.
red tomato, red tomato.
Silly goo-goo.
Red tomato, red
You want to play Show Me Your Face?
Show me your face.
Okay.
I'm not. outside now.
We're playing outside?
We forgot about to have birthday party.
Birthday party?
I thought it was dance party.
No, birthday party, dance party.
Oh, okay, sorry.
With cake.
Mit Kuchen.
Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
A little bit sore.
It's there from wall making. From wall making.
A little bit sore from.
In Paris.
In Paris, okay.
So that's say ding dong right here.
Oh, sorry.
This is the door.
Oh, silly daddy. Silly daddy.
And what are you having again?
Like angel water or something, please. Bing bong. Hello. Oh, is that so? Oh, thank you. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Would you like to share? Nom 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 nom. Thank you. That's delicious. Is that how French people act? Oh,
Last morning I saw some red guys.
last morning.
They're so cool.
You know what? I saw a cool guy today.
What was it?
He was like yellow and black. He had kind of these crazy stripes. And it was like I don't know what it was. If it was a spider or what.
I'm going to run through that. Dad. I'm going to run through that. I'm going to run through that.
Okay. I'll get ready to shout that was sick. Hey, silly tatty. Where's my baby? Oh, there she is.
I'm going to tag. Going to tag you.
No.
Tag
Ah.
you.
You wee beggar.
They're fireballs.
Nynan!
Cannonball.
Nynan Z!
Here's cannonball glasses. You got dead.
You
You
monster!
got dead by grass.
Oh,
I'm hiding.
filed.